how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your account has been disabled in your App Store and iTunes problem. So let's get started. First, what you'll have to do is open up your settings. Tap on your Apple ID and open up your Apple ID settings. After you're there, just tap on sign in and security. And after you tap on it, you'll have to change your password. Tap on change password, type in your password of your mobile phone, and then after you do so, just change your password. After you change your password, your problem should get fixed. Now, if that does not fix your problem, what you'll need to do is open up your Safari and here search for Apple support. Now just type in Apple support and then open up the first link that pops up. Now here, just choose iPhone. After you choose iPhone, scroll down. There you should find your account has been disabled option. If you don't find it, scroll down, and after you find one, just tap on it. Now if you don't find it, you can simply scroll down. You will see search for more topics. Tap on search for support and here type in account disabled. As you can see, it pops up there. Tap on it and here tap on no, and here you can just simply type in your problem, and after you type in your problem, you can communicate with the Apple Store's support and then fix the problem. So it's that simple guys. That is how you can fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes problem near iPhone. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.